After a provisional offer is sent, providing the applicant formally accepts or rejects the offer, the recruiter will receive an email confirmation. For our example, the applicant Emma Spelling has accepted the provisional offer. From the dashboard, navigate to the Offers tab. Click on either the campaign or the role. The display will list the candidates that have reached the offer stage. After a provisional offer has been sent to and accepted by the candidate, their status will be changed to provisional offer accepted. Full details of the candidate can be issued to the Human Resources Department so that a formal contract can be issued. To preview the HR instructions, click on the HR instruction preview icon. The instructions will contain all the information necessary for preparing a formal contract. If there is the need to provide the Human Resources Department with further ad hoc instructions or information, click on the Offer Settings icon. Click on Edit. Enter the additional instructions in the HR instruction field. Click Save. OK. Click on the role. Click on the HR instruction preview icon. The additional information has been included. When the instructions are complete, issue by clicking on the Send Starter Notification to HR icon. OK. The status will be changed to Offers, HR instruction. Should terms not be agreed, or in the event that references prove to be unsatisfactory, the offer can be withdrawn by clicking on the Withdraw Job Offer icon. When the candidate starts their employment, the recruitment process can be completed by clicking on the Set Employment Status as Commenced icon. The dashboard will show the offer status and the number of days until the planned start date. If the employment start date is not confirmed, the dashboard's days display will have a red background and show the number of overdue days.